Hi, today I'll be showing you how to use the Flexischools parent app. You can download the app from the Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, open it up. From here, you can log into an existing Flexischools account or you can sign up now through the app. Enter your details to log in. You can also set up Face ID to speed up login. And you can also add a 4-digit PIN for faster secure sign-in. Once you've logged in, simply click Add a Student to add your student to your account. Now enter your student's details. Search for your child's school. Select your student's year level, their class, and also be sure to enter the student ID. Here, you can also enter a daily spend limit for your student. Once the profile is complete, click Save. You have now successfully created a student profile. Click OK to close the pop-up and X in the top right corner to close the student. Now you've added a student to your account. To start ordering, click the Order Food button at the top of the home page. Here, you can see your student and the services associated with that student at that particular school. I'm going to place an order for lunch. You can select an order date, and by scrolling, you can see the future order dates as well. I'm going to place an order for Wednesday. Here, you can see the lunch menu. You can see the categories at the top of the page, and by scrolling left to right, you can move through these categories. So I'm going to add the lasagna. Here, you can see options. The options with the red star indicate that these are compulsory, and you must add at least one of these items. Then click Add Item when you're ready to add it to the cart. Now you can see the View Cart button at the very bottom that says we have one item in the cart. You can also view the cart through the cart button on the top right hand side. To add another item, simply click the item and add it. And now we can see there's 2 items in the cart. I'm going to click the button at the very bottom of the page, and we can see the cart now has lasagna and a ham and cheese toastie. To remove any items or remove the order, you can click the bin button next to the quantity on each item, or to clear everything from your cart, you can click the Clear All button in the very top right corner. Here you can also add another item using this button. I'm going to add chicken nuggets again and then navigate back to the cart. Or you can also add another order using this bottom button. I'm going to place an order for recess for Thursday. I'm going to add item to the cart, view the cart, and now you can see both orders for lunch and recess are in the cart. To check out, simply click the checkout button at the bottom of the page. Once you see this screen, you can confirm that the order has been placed. You can also view your order history on Flexischools using the Orders button in the middle of the bottom navigation. We can see in grey that these orders are upcoming and have not happened yet, but that they are confirmed. You can also view your wallet in the Flexischools app by clicking the wallet button next to the order button in the bottom. From here, you can top up your account by clicking the top up button. And we can enter the amount that you'd like to top up and select any of the following methods to top up your account. To add another student, click your profile in the bottom right-hand corner and click the Add New button right next to students. From here, you can add another student the same way that we did at the beginning. You have now learnt how to use the Flexischools app.